To view activities within 4Vision, there are multiple options or ways to do that. The first is to go through the menu path and click on Activities. And in this list view, the user can rearrange the columns and how they're displayed. They can also choose which parameters are displayed within the list. For example, clicking Finish Date now adds the finish date for each of the activities on the screen. As well, the sidebar filter allows the user to change the date range. So if we want to now view activities for next week, you'll see that the dates have changed, and it's listing now all the activities scheduled for next week. The Gantt chart is similar to the order Gantt chart, but in this case we're now showing all of the activities for that specific date range. And as I scroll down, you'll see that we're listing the activities that are in for next week from the 22nd through to the 26th. And same functionality here with the ability to add additional fields simply by checking the appropriate box in this section. And the user can also rearrange the displayed information after the Gantt bar simply by dragging and dropping the appropriate box. For filtering, I can type in a specific order number. And now the list has been filtered just to that specific item typed into the search bar, both on the Gantt chart and within the list. So this is the order number, and we now see all the activities for that specific item keyed into the search panel. So that's the first option. The second option is from the orders list. I can click on a specific order and pull up the details. And scrolling down, we have a View Activities button. When that is clicked, we now transfer to show the activities for that one specific order. And clicking on the Gantt tab, we now see the Gantt bar, and you'll notice the first couple of activities have been fully completed, and that's why they are shaded in blue. The third activity here is 50% complete, which is what was displayed here within the list. And so that's why this is shaded 50%, and the remaining three activities are at 0% complete. And as the schedule gets updated, this will be reflected accordingly within the Gantt chart. So that's the second option to find activities related to one or more orders. The third option is going back to the orders, and if I now want to filter to a specific orders list, for example, if I only want to see the enhanced orders with a specific maintenance activity type, it's now filtered the list just to show the 8 work orders with that specific activity type. And with the list filtered, I can click on the View Activities button, which now will transfer all of those orders into the filter, as you can see here with a pipe between them, and it now displays all of those activities for those 8 orders, both within the list and within the Gantt chart. And a number of these operations have been completed. And if I scroll over to the present work month, you can see the schedule as listed here.